your first lesson, computer system. Here first you have to learn what is meaning of this word computer. The word is came from Latin language. It came from Latin language. That means calculation. It means calculation. Calculation. Which type of calculation? Suppose 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this such type of calculation. It is like Latin language. This word came computer. It made from compute. Compute means calculate. Compute means calculate. Okay, computation means calculation. Okay, so the device that perform computation or that compute something is called computer. So this word came from this word, compute. Compute is word of Latin language. Word of Latin language. Okay. So this is the computation. In other words, it is called calculation. Compute means calculation. So this is a calculation, meaning compute. So what is in calculation? There is some input and this is output. So this part is called data and this part is called information. Okay. So this is the data and this is the information. Data is the that you give to the computer for calculation, for the computation, and this is the result that computer gives you as a output. This is the information. Okay. So how this computer is defined? How it is defined? It is defined. It is a device that convert data into information. The device that convert data into information is called computer. This is the definition of the computer system. Now, next term is what is data processing. Data processing is defined in 3 phases: input, then process, and third is output. So data processing is performed by your computer system. So what is the input? Input is this. 3 and 5 are the input. So input are the data that you give to the computer, and processing is here. It may be plus, it may be minus, it may be multiplication. So that is called processing. Here addition is a processing. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is the processing. What is output? Output is the information. So this is the input is data and output is information. Data processing is performed in 3 phases: input, process, and output. Now, evaluation of computer. Evaluation means the history. What was the history of this computer system that you are seeing today? Today it is an electronic device that are running using electricity. But how it is invented? It is very old story. Our electronics devices are made in around 1940. 1940. Before this, there was many computer system that was not running using electricity. They are having some other process. So what was this? There is oldest computer, abacus. It is having beads. It is having a beads and rod. This is the rod and this is called beads. Beads and rods. They are used for addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication. This is not electronic device. This is mechanical device system. This was made in China and around 3000 BC. 3000 BC. This was made. It's very old computer. Is not electronic, and this was using for addition and multiplication. Now next, Pascaline. There was one mathematician, Pascal, that made this system. If you rotate 10 times, it is rotated once. If you rotate this 10 times, it is rotated once. So this machine was using for the addition, it is adder machine, and subtraction you can do. If you rotate this 10 times, this rotates 1. If you rotate this one is rotated 10 times, this rotates 1. So this is also mechanical system. This was used for addition. Now there was difference engine. This was made by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, you know, he was the father of the computer. He is the father of the computer system. Charles Babbage is known as father of the computer system. He made a mechanical machine that was having some programming concept also, and this system was using for solving mathematical problem for differential equation. Differential equation is problem in mathematics, and this differential equation, this is mathematical equation, and this equation was solved by difference engine that was made by Charles Babbage. And Charles Babbage is also known as father of your computer system because this machine is having some programming concept also. Or your computer system is having a lot of programming. So he is the father of computer system. He is known as father of computer. Okay, now next well-known person is given this stored program concept. The stored program concept what is it? It means the computer should have memory. आपको पता है कि कंप्यूटर में क्या होता है? मेमोरी होता है. हर कंप्यूटर में मेमोरी होता है. मोबाइल में भी मेमोरी होता है. मेमोरी जो है वह कंप्यूटेशन को परफॉर्म करने के लिए जरूरी है. मोबाइल भी आपका एक छोटा सा कंप्यूटर है, कंप्यूटर भी एक छोटा सा कंप्यूटर है. जितने भी कंप्यूटेशन कर रहे हैं, प्रोग्रामिंग है उसके अंदर, दे आर ऑल हैविंग मेमोरी. विदाउट मेमोरी इट कांट परफॉर्म योर कैलकुलेशन. एंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज गिवन बाय वॉन न्यूमैन. ही इज आल्सो नोन एज फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. लाइक von Neumann. Okay, so von Neumann, he was given this concept in 1945, and after this, there was evaluation of electronic devices, and this concept, stored programming concept, was implemented your computer system, and first generation computer was made. That was the electronic computer. First generation computer. The electronic computer was made using this computer that was having memory and programming concept, and that you are seeing today. Your computer is having electronic machine and having memory. Okay. So the concept is came from this. Your computer should have a memory to perform all tasks, all commands that you implemented on the data. So data and instructions should be stored in memory so that it can be processed. ये उसी तरह से है जैसे कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम दे दिया जाए मैथमेटिक्स का, तो आप बिना कॉपी और पेन के, यदि वो प्रॉब्लम बहुत इजी नहीं है तो बिना कॉपी और पेन के उसको सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते। उसी तरह से कंप्यूटर को भी मेमोरी क्या है, मेमोरी एक उसके लिए स्पेस है, एक कॉपी है जिसमें कि वह सारा कैलकुलेशन करता है। उसमें बहुत सी इंटरमीडिएट वैल्यू आती हैं, तब जाकर के आपको एक फाइनल रिजल्ट आता है। तो फाइनल रिजल्ट एक ही स्टेप में नहीं आता है, उसके पहले बहुत से कैलकुलेशन होते हैं, बहुत सी वैल्यू आती हैं, फिर वो जुड़ती हैं, घटती हैं, तब वो जाकर के आपको फाइनल वैल्यू आता है। तो यही जैसे कि आप नहीं कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम देकर उसका आंसर सीधे नहीं बता सकते बिना उसको कैलकुलेशन किए सॉल्व किए, उसी तरह से कंप्यूटर भी उसको प्रॉब्लम लेकर के तुरंत आंसर नहीं दे सकता है। देयर इज मेनी स्टेप्स, मेनी इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट इज मेनी कमांड्स दैट कंप्यूटर शुड हैव फॉलोड एंड टू गेट देयर आंसर। इसीलिए कंप्यूटर में मेमोरी का कॉन्सेप्ट है। एंड this is the history of your computer system. I have seen that first it was mechanical system, now it is electronic device. In future it may be all optical device that are running through light also. So this is the definition of your computer system. So computer system is defined as it is a device that perform computation. It can convert data into information. Any device that convert data into information, that is the computer. Okay. At present it is electronic computer system.